Right now, people are jumping on the AI gold rush selling prompts like digital products. If you don't start now, you could miss one of the easiest online business opportunities of this decade. Hey, I'm Lily. In the last video, we explored how prompt engineering works and why it's so valuable. Today, I'll show you how to turn it into a business that generates passive income. Here's exactly what we'll cover step by step. First, I'll show you the best platform to sell your prompts. Second, we'll look at the most in-demand niches that people are buying right now. Third, how to design and test your prompts so they actually deliver amazing results. Fourth, how to list them online with great descriptions and examples. And finally, how to market your prompts so customers can actually find you and buy. Number 1. What is the best platform for selling prompts? When you are starting your prompt selling journey, the first decision you need to make is where to sell them. And one of the best platforms out there is PromptBase. It's basically like an Etsy or Amazon marketplace, but just for AI prompts. PromptBase connects sellers like you with thousands of buyers who are searching for high-quality prompts for AI tools like ChatGPT, Runway, Midjourney, and more. Once you sign up as a seller, you can upload your prompts and PromptBase will handle all the payment processing and deposit the money directly into your account. Number 2. What are the most in-demand prompt niches? The most in-demand prompts are for business, academic, and professional use. Why? Because they solve high-value problems that most people don't know how to create or optimize on their own. Business owners need prompts for marketing campaigns, product descriptions, or automating customer service. Students and academics want prompts that save them hours on research and essays. And professionals in law, finance, or medicine look for prompts tailored to their workflows because those save time, money, and even boost career success. Number 3. How to design and test your prompts so they deliver amazing results. Step 3 is all about designing and testing your prompts. A professional prompt isn't just a quick sentence. It can be several paragraphs long. You need to be super clear about what you want the AI to do, and then test it multiple times to get the best results. For example, you might create a prompt for ChatGPT to write a professional psychological research paper on the effects of social media on attention span. At first, the results might be generic or miss some key sections like methodology or literature review. So you tweak the prompt, add more details about structure and required sections, and test it multiple times until ChatGPT gives you a complete professional research paper. This process of trial and error is what makes your prompts valuable and in demand. Number 4. How to list them online with great descriptions and examples. First, you should sign up as a seller and upload your prompts. You can give each prompt a clear title, write a short description explaining what it does, and even add examples of the output. Make sure your description highlights the value, like saving time, creating professional content, or helping with a specific task. After you publish, PromptBase handles the payment. It's really that simple. Number 5. How to market your prompts so customers can actually find you and make purchases. Even the best prompts won't sell if no one sees them. You can share your prompts on social media like Instagram and TikTok, join AI communities, or create a small website or landing page. Make sure to show examples of what your prompts can do. Screenshots, videos, or short clips of the AI outputs work great. So that's it. Those are the exact steps to turn your AI prompts into a profitable online business. If you want to make passive income even in your sleep, start today and follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy prompting!